Okay, first thing that you need to know, any number with an exponent of 0 equals 1. Always, always. So 6 to the power of 0 equals 1. 500 to the power of 0, it equals 1. X to the power of 0, it equals 1. Even though we don't know what x is, right? Even though we don't know what x is, we know that if I take to the power of 0, it's going to equal 1. If I have a large number with a decimal, it doesn't matter. If it's taken to the power of 0, it equals 1. Why is this important? Well, when I go to build this table from this equation, right, think about what this is going to mean. This is going to be, I'm going to plug in 0 for x here. So that looks like this. 3 times 2 to the 0 power. Okay, the thing is, 2 to the 0 power is 1. So this just becomes 3 times 1, which is 3. Okay, let's keep going. Y equals 3 times 2 to the first power. Well, what does that equal? Well, 2 to the first power is just 2. So that becomes 3 times 2, which is 6. Let's keep going. Y equals 3 times 2 to the second power. Okay, now this is, what we're talking about here is order of operations, right? Because here I have multiplication, I have exponents, and I do the exponents first. So 2 squared is 4, so this becomes 3 times 4, which is 12. Okay, the other way you could think about it is you could think of it as 3 times 2 times 2, right? That's the same. This is 3 times 2 to the, look, I'm plugging in 3 for x. The x is here, to the third power. So this becomes y equals 3 times 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, now you could do this math and say 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, right? Or you could do it this way, 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12, times 2 is 24. Either way, you're going to get 24, right? You either get 3 times 8 is 24, or 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 24. Okay, but either way, we can observe the pattern and we can see that it works, right? We know this is the starting point, so we see the starting point right here. And then we say, oh, it's going to be, the growth factor here is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so go ahead and try these two. Now this is linear, you've seen this before, but you're just plugging in 0 for x, 1 for x, 2 for x, 3 for x. And then same deal over here on the right. Try it out.